Looking to fill your home with greenery? Fast? Some plants take years to grow, but others, they shoot up in just a few months. Whether you want trailing vines, tall statement plants, or bushy greens, I've got you covered. In this video, we're diving into the fastest growing houseplants that are easy to care for and perfect for any indoor garden. Let's get started. 1. Pothos, Epipremnum aureum. First up, we have pothos, one of the fastest growing and easiest houseplants to care for. This vine can grow several feet in just a few months, making it perfect for hanging baskets or shelves. It thrives in bright, indirect light. But what's amazing is that it also does well in low light conditions. Just water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, and watch those vines take off. If you want a bushier look, just trim the vines, and new growth will sprout quickly. Plus, propagating pothos is a breeze. Just snip a cutting, place it in water, and within a few weeks, you'll see roots forming. 2. Spider plant, Chlorophytum comosum. Next on our list is the spider plant, and trust me, this one grows like crazy. Within months, it produces long, arching green and white striped leaves that can reach over 2 feet long. But the real magic? Spider plants grow baby plants, or spiderettes, that dangle from the mother plant. You can snip them off and place them in soil or water to create even more plants. They thrive in bright, indirect light but can also handle some shade. Plus, they're super low maintenance. Just water them when the soil feels dry, and they'll keep growing nonstop. 3. Tradescantia, inch plant. This plant is a fast grower and a showstopper. Tradescantia, also known as inch plant, has gorgeous purple and green variegated leaves, and it grows quickly, especially in a hanging pot. With just moderate watering and bright, indirect light, Tradescantia will grow long, trailing vines in no time. It's perfect if you want a cascading effect in your space. One cool thing about this plant? It's easy to propagate. Simply cut a stem, place it in water or soil, and you'll have a brand new plant in weeks. 4. Monstera deliciosa. If you want a fast-growing houseplant that makes a bold statement, Monstera deliciosa is the way to go. This plant is famous for its large, dramatic leaves with natural splits, giving it that jungle vibe. When given bright, indirect light and regular watering, Monsteras can grow several feet in just a year. Keep the soil slightly moist but not soggy, and wipe down the leaves occasionally to keep them dust-free. Want bigger leaves and faster growth? Give it a moss pole to climb. It mimics its natural habitat and encourages stronger, taller growth. 5. Bamboo palm, Chamaedorea seyfriedsi. Looking for a fast-growing indoor tree? Bamboo palms are the perfect choice. They add a tropical feel to any space and grow quickly, reaching up to 6 to 8 feet indoors with the right care. These palms love bright, indirect light and prefer their soil to be kept lightly moist. They're also excellent air purifiers, removing toxins from indoor air. With good humidity and occasional pruning, your bamboo palm will thrive and bring a fresh, tropical vibe to your home. 6. Snake plant, Dracæna trifasciata. Okay, snake plants may not be the fastest growing plants ever, but they make up for it with steady, low-maintenance growth. They can grow up to a few inches per year, reaching 3 to 4 feet tall over time. What's great is that they thrive on neglect. You can water them once every 2 to 3 weeks, and they'll still look amazing. Place your snake plant in bright, indirect light or even low light, and let it do its thing. The best part? It's one of the best air-purifying plants out there. 7. Peacelily, spathiphyllum. Want a plant that grows fast and blooms indoors? The peace lily is perfect. Not only does it grow quickly, but it also produces gorgeous white flowers throughout the year. It thrives in low to moderate light, but for the best blooms, place it in bright, indirect sunlight. Keep the soil slightly moist and it'll reward you with lush green leaves and stunning flowers. Plus, it's great for indoor air purification. It removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene. 8. Chinese money plant, Pilea peperomioides. This little plant grows quickly and produces tons of baby plants. The Chinese money plant, also known as Pilea peperomioides, has round coin-shaped leaves that grow in all directions. With moderate watering and bright indirect light, it can double in size within months. Plus, it produces lots of offshoots, which you can separate and replant for even more greenery. 9. Rubber plant, Ficus elastica. Rubber plant is a fast-growing, low-maintenance houseplant, known for its large, glossy leaves and air-purifying qualities. With the right care, it can grow 2 to 3 feet per year, reaching up to 6 to 10 feet indoors. To speed up its growth, place it in bright indirect light, near an east or south-facing window. It prefers moderate watering, allowing the topsoil to dry out between waterings, and thrives in warm, humid conditions. Wiping its leaves regularly keeps them dust-free, helping it absorb more light. A well-draining soil mix with occasional feeding during the growing season ensures steady growth. With proper care, this tropical beauty quickly transforms into a stunning indoor statement plant. 10. Fiddle leaf fig, Ficus lyrata. Last but not least, we have the fiddle leaf fig, a statement plant that grows fast when given the right care. With bright indirect light and proper watering, this plant can grow several feet per year. The trick is to rotate it regularly so it grows evenly and to avoid overwatering. It might be a bit picky, but once you get it right, it'll grow tall and lush, becoming a stunning focal point in your home. And there you have it. Some of the fastest growing houseplants that will transform your space in no time. Which one is your favorite? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant care tips. See you in the next one.